Good day. Today I'm gonna share with you the installation of the Abiloader in brand new CX-80 inline 6 engine. It's the first time we're doing this car. It's really beauty. It's quite a large vehicle. We installed our transfer board in it just to help the driver get in and out. So that's kind of a sliding or transfer board, how we called it. I'll turn the Abiloader off at the moment. It has a E-Classic Weigel hand control installed on the side with some controls in the joystick, and of course the Abiloader. So we'll set it out. Despite that this car is reasonably long, we managed to deliver the wheelchair very close to the driver. So as you can see, it pretty much comes to the nearly edge between the driver's door and passenger door. So it's kind of, that's all you need to reach. And I'll do the wheelchair, roll out, roll wheelchair back in, hitch it, and send it back into the boot. I'll just give it some couple of shots from the rear. Normally we remove the rear seats. So this car came as a 7-seater, so the last row of seats was removed. And we just installed the Abiloader. It's all inside. Close the boot. Yeah, so it's 2025 Mazda CX-80. A beautiful car in beautiful New Zealand.